everyone, today I'm going to cook beef stir-fried rice noodle with the veggies. Here are the rice noodle. First step, I'm gonna be pour some hot water, leaving for 20 minutes, 30 minutes until it's a little bit soft. Probably the temperature is like 60 degrees, not too hot. Cut some beef. So important step, when you cut the beef, you can see the line little bit. So always when you cut against the line, so when you eat, gonna be more tender. And cut not too big piece, small piece. And here I got some chili, garlic, and spring onion. So if you don't like the chili, you don't need have to add the chili. And also I got a pre-made stir-fry sauce. So I cut some chili, garlic, and then also got some vegetable, mushroom, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. So you can add whatever veggie you want to add in your stir-fry noodle. And also I got some coriander and bean shoots already washed properly. Okay, let's start cooking. So I just add some salt, marinate a little bit for the beef, so more taste better and eat more tender. And you can add a little bit pepper, also no problem. So wait for a couple of minutes. So wok is really hot, and then add some oil. So first I'm going to cook beef first, yeah? But only cooking in 70%. Don't need to cook very long. 60-70% cook, and then we use. So that's enough to cook at the moment, and then we let it cook again. This is pre-cooked. So the pre-cooked, not fully cooked. First, little bit spring onion, just make the vegetables and some mushroom. saute a little bit vegetables. Noodles. They need the fire not to short. So this is a pre-made stir-fry sauce. Everything inside. Don't need add anything else. So I add some more. Beef. So you can this time add a little bit chili and spring onion again on top. And some bay shoots and coriander. You can put it on the top as can, but you can add the inside that's cook as well. Much better flavor. So noodle is cooked. Yeah. So now I gotta portion up. So add a little bit. Now I'm going to try rice noodle stir fry. Tastes beautiful. So now you can use the same cooking methods to cook prawn stir fry or chicken stir fry or pork stir fry. For watching my video, please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Click the link below to find how to make stir fry sauce. Cheers.
Delicious.